Struggling to keep up with your procurement workload? Time to let AI take the wheel. In today's fast-paced world, manual procurement can be a real bottleneck. But guess what? There's a smarter way. Imagine having an AI that checks your business needs and finds the perfect products for bulk buying. That's AI-powered product discovery. It saves you time and makes sure you get exactly what you need. Next up, AI-driven price comparison. This nifty tool scans different online stores and alerts you to the best deals. Say goodbye to overpaying and hello to savings. And it doesn't stop there. Personalized AI recommendations learn from your past orders to suggest trusted suppliers and new products tailored to you. It's like having a personal shopping assistant 24/7. Worried about stock levels? No problem. The AI monitors stock availability in real time to keep your supply chain running smoothly. You'll never get caught off guard by stockouts again. Now here's the game changer: automated AI order placement. Once the best price and stock availability are confirmed, the AI places orders automatically. This speeds up the buying process and cuts down on errors. Finally, AI Stock Edition alerts keep you updated on new stock from your favorite suppliers. You'll always know when relevant products are available. So, what are the benefits? Significant time savings, cost reduction, increased efficiency, improved accuracy, and better decision-making. Let AI transform your procurement process into a strategic function, freeing you up to focus on growth and innovation. Stay ahead and streamline your procurement with an AI purchase agent today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on boosting your business with AI.